Hey everyone, welcome back to TV Fix, your channel for smart solutions and tech tips. Today, we're starting a new tutorial, how to navigate to the Internet Hisense TV Internet browser. Press the Home button. Scroll to Apps. Scroll right to TV browser and press OK. To navigate the arrow cursor around the screen, use the directional buttons on the remote. To go to a specific web address, navigate to the address bar and press OK. Enter the desired web address, then navigate to Done and press OK. To go back a page, scroll to the Back button and press OK. To go forward a page, scroll to the Forward button and press OK. To save a web page as a bookmark, press the yellow button. That's it for today's tutorial. Thanks for watching TV Fix.